Prime Minister Narendra Modi has reportedly reduced the size of his convoy following his recent appeal to citizens to adopt austerity measures and conserve fuel amid global supply disruptions linked to the West Asia crisis. On Sunday, the Prime Minister made a 7-point appeal urging people to follow fuel-saving practices such as using public transport and carpooling. The appeal was part of a broader call for restraint and frugality in daily life due to ongoing concerns over fuel availability. However, the move also sparked criticism, with some questioning the timing, as the Prime Minister had recently conducted roadshows even after urging the public to reduce petrol and diesel usage. Viral videos circulating on social media showed a noticeable reduction in his motorcade size, with only 2 vehicles, a Range Rover and a Fortuner, compared to the usual 12 to 15 plus vehicle convoy. At the same time, another clip reportedly showed a larger convoy movement after the fuel saving appeal, further fueling public discussion. According to sources, the Prime Minister has also directed that electric vehicles be included in his convoy wherever possible without purchasing new vehicles for the purpose. Following this development, Union Home Minister Amit Shah has also reportedly reduced the size of his convoy. Visuals showed him leaving his residence in a smaller motorcade in line with a Prime Minister's call for efficiency. Officials have stated that the overall focus is now on improving efficiency and reducing unnecessary fuel consumption across high-level government travel. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.